Hello friends, today we will discuss Python database connectivity using SQLite 3. So, database management system is a software system that allows user to access and manipulate data. Manipulation means insertion, updation, deletion or retrieval of the data. So here we can manage our data using database management system with the help of Python program. So let's see how we can connect our Python with SQLite 3 as a database. So here the question is why SQLite 3? Because there are various software available for DBMS like Oracle, MySQL or MS Access. Because SQLite 3 is relational database management system, means we are going to store our data in tabular format. The main advantage of using this SQLite 3 is it is serverless database management system. As it is serverless database management system, so it will be a lightweight and it is open source also. SQLite 3 is ACID compliant and implement most of the SQLite standards. It provides integrity, it avoids duplication, means redundancy, and data will be stored in consistent manner. That's why we'll prefer this SQLite 3 for today's demonstration. So let's get started. Initially, we need to import SQLite 3 package. Import Lite 3. Then we'll create the connection object. Con is a connection object. How we can create it? The function of SQLite 3 package, which function we are going to use? Connect function, and we will provide the database name to this connect function. For example, student is our database name. After that, we'll just print connected. Here, using these two statements, we can create a new database named student. In this database, we can store n number of tables. We can create the table, we can delete the table, or we can insert information into the table, right? So as this is a blank database, we'll create the table in that and then we'll insert the information. So let's see how to create the table in this. So again, we will use con.execute method, and inside that we'll write normal SQL query to create the table, that is create table for example student info. Inside this we will have first column as a ID, then the data type of ID is integer. We'll assign primary key to this ID, then we'll have name, we'll have text as a data type for this, again we have age, integer. So these are the three columns we are going to insert in this. Finish. Then we'll give one message, table created. So let's execute this code by using this run module, you can see connection established and table created successfully.